Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you how Amazon Kindle Unlimited works. Alright, let's begin. First of all, Kindle Unlimited is basically an all-you-can-read library subscription for ebooks, audiobooks, and even magazines. So, what do you actually get with the subscription? To start with, you pay a monthly fee, and then you get to access a massive library of digital content. You get millions of ebooks, thousands of audiobooks, and magazine subscriptions right at your fingertips. You can even borrow ebooks and audiobooks, similar to borrowing from a library, but there are no due dates. From there, you're able to read on any device with the free Kindle app. And you even get to borrow up to 20 titles at once, meaning you can read multiple different books all at the same time. Now, in order to get the subscription, open a new tab and search for Amazon.com. After that, sign into your account, and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now, you want to go to the top left corner and click All. Inside it, go to the section where it says Kindle eReaders and Books and access it. After that, look for this section in the middle which says Kindle Store and go to the second option which is Kindle Unlimited. When we click on that, we will get taken to this page. Here, you will get a single offer of a free trial for 30 days. Simply, click on the Join Kindle Unlimited button and start your 30-day free trial. So that's basically how Amazon Kindle Unlimited works. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.